Which of these animals is the fastest land animal? Cheetah. What color are zebras? Black and white. What has a shell and lives in the ocean? Turtle. What has big floppy ears and loves carrots? Rabbit. What has a long neck and likes to eat leaves? Giraffe. What says woof and likes to play fetch? Dog. What animal spins a web to catch its prey? Spider. What animal sleeps all winter? Bear. What has a pointed beak and likes to swim in ponds? Duck. What is a baby horse called? Foal. What animal has sharp claws and likes to climb trees? Cat. What has a pouch on its belly and carries its babies there? Kangaroo. What animal is black and white and lives in cold places? Penguin. How many hearts does an octopus have? 3. What is the scientific name for a chimpanzee? Pan-troglodytes. Congratulations for your great effort. Send this quiz to your friends to challenge them, and don't forget to follow us for the next big quiz.